Brunette Wig Place, and today I'm bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just a reminder before I get started, Wig Studio One has an online Facebook group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It is a private group. We would love to have you come over and join us. So today I am wearing Haley by Envy in the color Chocolate Caramel. So this is a really cute style, not one that I have tried before. I haven't actually tried a lot of Envy styles. I only have a couple that I've tried, and so it was fun to get to see and try another style. So this is Haley. Haley is sort of a bob with a little bit of a shag element, to the ends as well. So, and then she obviously is a style with a bang. So really cute. So let me do a spin so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll talk about all of her specifications. So here's the front. Now I have the bang side swept, and I will show you when I show you the measurements on the bang, how the bang looks across the forehead. This is my right side. The back, you can kind of see that little flippy texture on the ends and the back. My left side. And then back to the front. Okay, so as far as her measurements are concerned, this bang up here is 4.75 inches. So it is a long bang. So if you want to wear the style with the bangs across your forehead, I would say you're going to have to trim them yourself if you are skilled in that area, or have them trimmed by a stylist professionally. So they are a bit long, but if you just want some forehead coverage, they do work well as just a side swept bang. So, and they're staying in place pretty well for me as a side swept bang. So that is 4.75 inches. From the crown, there's a measurement of 7.5 inches. The sides are 4.75 inches as well, because there are some layers. So you've got a 7.5, you've got a 4.5, and then the nape back here is a 4-inch nape. So let's talk about the color. Her color is chocolate caramel. This is a dark brown with gold highlights, which is very straightforward and very true. The highlight also, in certain light, and we'll take it outside and look at it, but the highlight also looks a little strawberry blonde to me. I think it's because it's on that dark brown base. And a golden highlight, when you put it on that dark brown, tends to have a little bit of a strawberry blonde cast. So for those of you that like a brunette that has a little auburn, I think that you might, appreciate this shade also. But definitely I can see where they call it caramel. It does look like caramel, kind of caramel running through dark chocolate, maybe. Make everybody hungry here. Okay, so let me pop it off and I will show you the interior of the cap. So she has a full mono top, which means you can part her anywhere you like. She does not have a lace front, but she does have that bang. She has a polyurethane strip right here, so if you wanted to apply some tape or adhesive, that would be a great place to be able to apply that to help, just to help with security of the wig. So she has an open wefted cap all the way around, open wefted ear tabs, which are nice for glasses. Those tend to be really easy for glasses. The ear tabs are really, there's a lot of hair on them, but so the ear tab down here itself is kind of small. And then she has an open wefted extended nape. She has the hook type adjusters that, pull tab kind of adjusters on her. So, but very nice with the mono top, meaning if you are a right side parter, or a middle parter, you could easily, part her wherever you feel comfortable. And that's always, nice, because a lot of times we see either no mono part or just a left side exclusively mono part, So anyway, but that polyurethane strip also really, it almost sticks to your head, which is nice. So if you have a lot of hair loss or, androgenic alopecia loss here up at the top, you should get, really feel like that's kind of adhering to your head, which is nice. So she's really cute. So let's take this color, Chocolate Caramel, outside and we will look at her in the natural light. Okay, here's Chocolate Caramel by Envy on this Haley wig. So you can see that highlight's very visible. But I think they're done very well. So we're back inside and we will talk about some styling for this wig. So I went ahead and put a headband in her. I will show you the coverage that I have around the face here. Her ear tabs are nice. There's a good piece of metal in there, so I've got good coverage, you know, covering any hair that could be showing, you know, at the sides of the wig. So I'm really happy with that. This cap on me, I am actually a petite average, and it's a little bit big, so I think it would easily accommodate average and larger. And if you're petite, you know, I just had to pull in the adjusters a little bit, and that's why I'm wearing my wig grip underneath. So, but she looks really cute with a headband. And she's definitely just, you know, if you like to tuck behind the ears, she's, you know, very ear tuckable, and it's kind of cute. The texture on the ends kind of shows when you do that, so it looks really cute. Really, really cute. You know, and other than that, you can put clips and, you know, just different things in her. So she's just a really cute little style. So I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending her to me for this review today. And there'll be information below for purchase. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.